Hi there. If you want to add background for any object like image, text or logo or anything else in DaVinci Resolve, first step, make the object above like this. This is the main track, so make it above right here. Now go to the effect and click on generators and scroll down until you see solid color. Simply click on it and hold, then drag it under the object. Right here. Now you already have added the background. You don't see anything because it comes in black color by the default. Here I have two objects, image and text. I will drag and cover both objects, but I will use different color for each one. That's why I will cut these elements. Okay, now click on solid color and on the side click on generators. And as you can see, the color right here is on black. One click and here we go. From here you can select any color. There is multiple colors, red, yellow, white or anything. Also you can pick up the same color from screen display. When you click right here, then you can pick up any color you see. Okay, this image is white. I can zoom the image to cover the entire frame, but like this the image is oversized. That's why for this image I need to use some background and I have to select the same color as the image. That's why I will use this option. And as you can see, I can use any color I have here on the display. So I will select white. Okay, that's it. And for the text, there is no color in the background. I can select anything. Okay, blue or anything or white. Okay, that's it. And this is the result. So that's how you can add background in DaVinci Resolve. Have a good day and thank you for watching.